How to check if an original iPhone battery is original. To get started, open the Settings app from the home screen. Inside Settings, tap on General. On the General page, tap on About. The About screen shows device details like name, software version, model number, and serial number at the top. Scroll down to find the Parts and Service History section. If no Parts and Service History section appears on this page, there is no recorded service for supported components. Here you will see battery listed with a clear status next to it. If the battery is original, the status reads Genuine Apple Part beside battery. If the battery is not original or was replaced with an unknown component, it shows Unknown Part or a replacement message. The screen focuses on the battery entry so the status text is easy to read. No extra steps are needed here. This page simply reports the authenticity of installed parts. Take a moment to confirm the wording shown for the battery status. Once confirmed, leave the About page when you are done. Following these steps, you can easily check if an iPhone battery is original.